And my dear friends, we're going to start the new year giving our Prince of Kazakhstan a new title. Yes, changing from the Prince with the diamond vocal cord. In 2021, his vocal cords are liquid gold. Yes. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, and I hope you all are doing well. And welcome to my channel. For all my returning viewers and new viewers and subscribers, I want to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your subscription. And, well, my dear friends, I've decided that I am going to start my year with Dimash. I am going to be reacting today to a song Dimash did in November on his Arno tour, the official teaser Golden, because he is also our golden boy. Yes, yes, we all agree. So today's video, I am going to be reacting to Golden, the official teaser from November 3rd, 2020, the Arno concert. Are you ready? Come on, let's get into this video. Let's go. this video for the new year, for 2021, because I just have to say, for the year 2021, our prince is gonna be golden. So my dear friends, I just wanted to start the year out by celebrating with all the fans from that concert, that golden song, because our prince is not only the Prince of Kazakhstan with the diamond vocal cords, he's also golden. So yes, we had to start the year off with that song, right? Yes. So, yes, my dear friends, and I took my hat off for the new year because I have to celebrate. And you dears know I don't go too far without a hat on. We're just gonna start the new year off with our prince with the golden liquid gold vocal cords. Yes, that's it. For 2021, yes, he just upped it. So my dear friends, we know with the I Miss You song, our prince has improved his singing. So it's not only that he is the Prince of Kazakhstan with the diamond vocal cords. Well, he's our prince with the liquid gold vocal cords too. Now that's a mouthful, but he is that and a lot more.